Big dogs love big chew toys. All the stuff that's in this corrugated pipe weighs a lot right there. It's full. You hear it. And we're going to use this solid pipe. It won't restrict the flow. Now back here, I'll show you to continue this. He has two German Shepherds, so they had the corrugated pipe in the ground for the drainage. And watch, there's a bunch of holes here in the ground. Big dogs love big chew toys, and that's what that is a big chew toy for a dog, right? So he's going to get this. He's going to get rid of this and get some new gutters and downspouts and all this. What we did is we put a trench in the ground, and we go all the way back to the back of the property, and we're going to use this solid pipe. We use a solid smooth pipe, interior smooth pipe, for this downspout. That way it won't restrict the flow. The pipe we took out of here weighs a lot right there. It's full. You hear it. The stuff in it. So all the stuff that's in this corrugated pipe, the reason why it is because it's got ridges. Those ridges trap the leaves and the pine needles and whatever else that goes through here, the shingles, the rock from the shingles, and just builds up, and there's no way for that water to actually flow out. With a smooth, you can disconnect the downspout at any time, put some hose down there and blow it out if you need to blow it out. But typically they don't really get clogged up too much as long as you got flow downhill. So we do exterior drainage here with Insta Dri. So if this is helpful to you, you can find us on instadri.com. And if we can like and share this page, it'd be great too. And we'd love to help you guys like we help thousands of other customers. Thank you and have a great day.